Hey guys, I wanted to show you how you could use Keak to automatically improve your conversion rate on your website. So I'm going to show you an example on Framer. So if you just visit your website and open our extension, you can now start generating variation of any element on the page. So if I wanted to do the main headline here, I could click on it. I could click and start typing if I wanted to do a manual variation, but I want to use AI. So I'm going to click generate variation here. And then what we just did in the background is that we took screenshots of the page and we used those screenshots to understand the context of the element in the page. And then we sent all that context to our fine-tuned model to actually come up with the variation. So we've got your first variation here. You could re-click if you wanted another one. So now you got another variation. You can now do some other edits. So you could change the color. We could try to match the color of like the blue that they have on the rest of their website. You could change the alignment. You could change the size. All pretty much standard stuff that you would expect from a website editor. So once you're happy with those changes, we can actually launch an A/B test. So if you confirm the changes here and click on tests here, you now get to choose what event you want to optimize towards. So most of the customers, they use their thank you page or they use visits to their booking page to determine which variations did best. So in this case, we might do framer.com/thank you, and then we could name the page visited thank you page. And now we can start our test. So if I click here, we can now name it. So I'm going to do framer test, and now we can create our test. If you don't already have our tracking pixel on your website, you can just copy the script here and place it in the header of your website. You only need one script for any test on any page, so you could just do this once. And now your test is going to start running. So 50% of your traffic is going to see the original, and 50% of your traffic is going to see the first variation that you created. When the test reaches statistical significance, we're going to take all the data that we collected during the first test, we're going to use it to refine-tune your own AI model, and then we're going to repeat the process. So we're going to generate a new variation, run a new A/B test versus the previous winner of the first test, and completely restart the process. And this is how we enable websites and models to self-improve. So that's the quick demo of Keak. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and have a good rest of your day.